Number 1. The car bar. Imagine being on a fun road trip with your friends or family, but you're getting thirsty and your drink is running low. You don't want to stop and buy more drinks, so what do? Well, there was an awesome invention called the car bar that could have solved this problem. The car bar was a special gadget that you could attach to the back of your car seat. It had 2 holders that could fit 2 bottles, and buttons that let you pour the drink into cups without spilling anything. Plus, it even had cool features like LED lights and a bottle opener. The inventor, Sanjeev Lal, spent a long time creating and testing different versions of the car bar until he finally came up with the perfect design. He wanted to make sure it was safe and easy to use, so people of all ages could enjoy it. Number 2. Widescape WS250. Get ready for an awesome winter adventure with the Widescape WS250 snowmobile. This is not your typical snowmobile, it's compact, agile, and ultra-lightweight, which means you can easily maneuver through forests and deep snow to explore new and uncharted territories. With the WS250 standing position, you get to be more involved in the ride and feel the rush in every turn. It may take a little bit to get used to, but once you do, you'll never want to stop riding. Under the hood, the WS250 has a custom-built 242cc engine that's super reliable and fuel-efficient. It's also equipped with a continuously variable transmission that gives you smooth and steady power output, making it perfect for navigating through dense forests and deep snow. You'll also love the high-performance suspension, scaled track, and purposefully designed single ski that give you optimal traction and control. Number 3. Car safe. Did you know that a car gets stolen every 36 seconds in the United States? And the worst part is that most of these thefts happen in less than 10 seconds. That means the thief can access everything inside your car before you even realize what's happening. But don't worry, you can protect your stuff with this awesome safe. It's not like an ordinary safe that a thief can easily take away. Instead, it's cleverly disguised as a booster seat. So the thief won't even realize that they're stealing a safe, let alone your valuable belongings. And this safe is no joke. It's big enough to fit a 16.2-inch laptop and can even withstand overloads in the event of an accident. So you can rest assured that your belongings will be safe no matter what happens. The price for this safe is around $200, and the first deliveries are set to arrive in March 2023. Number 4. Ascento Pro. Imagine a robot that can hop, roll, and balance on just 2 legs with wheels attached to them. This robot is called the Ascento Pro, and it's the latest creation of a group of smart engineering students from Switzerland. What's so amazing about the Ascento Pro is that it's fully autonomous, meaning it can move around on its own using sensors and cameras to find its way around. It can even charge itself by locating a charging post and lowering its upper body onto it. The Ascento Pro is super cool because it can climb stairs, roll over small obstacles, and stay balanced even on rough or uneven terrain. It's also much faster than its predecessor, the Ascento 2, with a top speed of 12 km per hour, 7.5 miles per hour. This robot could be used for all sorts of things like inspecting buildings, delivering packages in cities, or even for doing research in robotics. Plus, its battery can last up to 8 hours, so it can keep going for a long time. Overall, the Ascento Pro is a pretty awesome piece of technology that shows just how far robots have come in recent years. Number 5. ETTCor Trailers. Are you tired of cramped garages or not having enough space to work on your ride? Well, check this out. ETTCor Trailers are a total game changer for drivers and mechanics on the go. These trailers are expandable to a standard width of 22 feet, providing enough room to open your car's doors, hood, and trunk, so you can work comfortably and efficiently. Plus, all the equipment is conveniently placed, which saves you time and effort. The best part? The 16-foot expandable trailer is super lightweight, making it perfect for a small team or individual use. You can use it as an additional garage, workshop, or demo vehicle. It's like having your own mobile garage wherever you go. ETTCor trailers are also weather-tight, so you can keep your ride warm in the winter or cool in the summer. And don't worry about being cramped or not having enough space to work. These trailers are designed to provide enough room to change and repair your tires, move freely, and work on your vehicle's body and motor. Number 6. GuardBot. GuardBot is a really cool robot that looks like a big ball with eyes. It can move around on land and in water, just like an amphibian. It's able to roll over bumps and even float in water. How does it move? Well, there's a pendulum inside that helps it stay balanced and move in the right direction. This robot is so cool that even the military is interested in it. They want to use GuardBot to explore underwater environments, like when they need to check out a harbor after an earthquake. It's much safer and faster than sending people down there. Other countries' military are also interested in it. But GuardBot didn't have an easy start. The first version of the robot got destroyed by customs officers when it was being shipped. But the team that makes GuardBot is small and agile. They were able to quickly redesign it with better technology, and now it's even better than before. Number 7. Cargosmart Hybrid Ramp. Did you know that an ordinary ramp can actually do a lot of cool things? Check this out, there's a special kind of ramp with an S-curve design that's been patented. It can hold up to 750 pounds, which means you can use it for all sorts of vehicles like ATVs, motorcycles, and even lawn mowers. And get this, it's super lightweight, only 31 pounds, so you can easily set it up by yourself without any help. Plus, it folds up neatly when you're done using it. Oh, and it comes with a safety strap that you can adjust. All of this for just $190. So whether you're a daredevil on wheels or just need a handy tool for some yard work, this ramp is definitely worth checking out. Cool, right? Number 8. Snow Dog. Have you heard of the Snow Dog? It's a super cool off-road vehicle that's perfect for hunters, fishermen, and anyone who loves to explore the outdoors. What's great about the Snow Dog is that it's compact and affordable, so you won't have to break the bank to get one. Plus, it's small enough to fit in the back of your truck or garage, so you can take it anywhere you go. But don't be fooled by its size, the Snow Dog is tough and powerful. It can tow up to 441 pounds on dry ground and runs on a 13.5 horsepower engine that's perfect for taking on any terrain. And here's the best part, the Snow Dog isn't just for snow. You can ride it on dry ground too, which means you can use it all year round. The entry-level model starts at $4,160 and comes with heated grips, an electric starter, and LED lighting as standard. And if you want, you can even add a seat and mini snowmobile to make it even more fun. Number 9. Bumper Pads. Did you know that there are over 1.4 billion cars on our planet right now? And guess what? That number will keep going up until it hits its peak in 2040. Even if you're a careful driver, sometimes you might end up with scratches or dents on your car, especially in busy parking lots. But don't worry, there's a cool and affordable solution. Introducing parking pads, they are like little mats that you put under your car in parking spots to protect it from small damages. These pads come in different colors and designs, so you can make your car look unique. They are made of special materials like PVC and rubber that are stretchy and water-resistant. Plus, you can stick them to the ground with an adhesive tape that won't leave any marks when you remove or replace the pads. So, if you want to keep your car looking its best and avoid those annoying little dings and scratches, consider getting some parking pads. They're not just practical, they're also a fun way to add some personality to your ride. Number 10. Snowfeet. Have you heard about Snowfeet? They are like mini skis that you can attach to your winter shoes and use to glide through the snow like you're skating. It's a super cool and innovative way to try something new on your next ski trip. But there are a few things to keep in mind. Snowfeet are definitely not as easy to control as regular skis or snowboards, so they might not be the best choice for beginners or for really steep slopes. But if you're looking for a fun and unique way to practice your balance and try out some tricks and stunts, Snowfeet might be just the thing for you. Plus, they are super affordable and a great alternative to carrying around heavy and awkward ski equipment. You can even use them to walk around on any snow-covered surface. How cool is that? So, if you're up for a bit of adventure and looking for a new way to have some fun in the snow, definitely check out Snowfeet. Number 11. Blind Spot Alert. Did you know that blind spots are a major cause of accidents? Statistics show that they're responsible for a whopping 70% of crashes. But there's good news, a new gadget called VSA has come to the rescue. VSA is the first ever self-installed blind spot alert system that can help keep you and your car safe. Here's how it works. Special sensors scan the sides of your car, and if they detect a potential hazard, an LED warning signal lights up. That way, you'll know if there's danger lurking in your blind spot, and you can take action to avoid an accident. The best part is that the VSA system is super easy to install, and it only costs about $200. You can even put it in your rearview mirror. And if the VSA team reaches their financial goal, deliveries will start in June 2023. So, if you want to stay safe on the road, get your hands on VSA.